Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to everybody. Today, question pattern for third term assessment academic year 2024 for the subject English for today, class 5. The syllabus of third term assessment is English for today for class 5, page number from 70 to 102. From textbook, page 70 is unit 18. City and country, and the last page for this third term assessment English class 5 is unit 25 story why does the frog croak, and the page number is 102. Now the main question pattern for class 5 English. First, read the text carefully and answer the questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. These text will be given from English for today class 5 book. Question number 1. Match the given words with their meanings. Fill in the blanks with the given words. Same of class 4. Marks 5. Question number 2. Write true for correct statement or false for incorrect statement. Question number 3. Answer short questions. 6 short constructed response questions, that means CRQ, will be given and students will have to answer all of them. 6টা প্রশ্ন থাকবে, 6টারই উত্তর দিতে হবে. Question number 4, short composition. Rewriting or by answering a set of questions related to text. Students will write at least 5 sentences related to the given topic. Capital letters, punctuation, correct spelling and sentence structure will be marked. On scene, read the text, dialogue, diagram and answer the questions 5, 6, 7 and 8. These text, dialogue or diagram will not be given from the book English for Today Class 5, but it must be of similar difficulty level for grade 5 students. অর্থাৎ এমন প্যাসেজ দিতে হবে যেন words or language and grammar must be of similar difficulty level for class 5 students. Question number 5, fill in the blanks with the given words. কিছু শব্দ দেওয়া থাকবে, সেখান থেকে উপযুক্ত শব্দ বেছে নিয়ে শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করতে হবে. Question number 6, write true for correct statement or false for incorrect statement, same as question number 2. Question number 7, answer short questions. 5 short constructed response questions, that means CRQ, will be given and students will have to answer all of them. Question number 8, write a simple personal letter. Clues will be given and students will have to write at least 6 sentences accordingly. Marks 10. Question number 9, make 5 WH questions from the given statements by using who, what, when, how, where, why and which. Students will make questions with the underlined word or words. Question number 10, short questions using informative instructions. Students will answer all the questions by understanding short informative text, instructions, activities, suggestions, directions, procedures to do any work. Mark 6. Question number 11, short questions or fill in the blanks by using information related to dates, months, time, cardinal and ordinal numbers in tables and columns or words for figures. Marks 5. Question number 12, rearrange the given words in appropriate order to make meaningful sentences. এখানে 5টা সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করতে হবে এলোমেলো শব্দ থেকে সাজিয়ে, অর্থাৎ রিঅ্যারেঞ্জ করে মিনিংফুল সেন্টেন্সে রূপান্তর করতে হবে. Question number 13, and this is the last question, form fill up. Students will fill up a form by using given information. Marks 5. Given information such as name, father's name, mother's name, role, class, etc. Dear honorable teachers, parents and stakeholders, all the questions must be settled competency based test item, and this is all. If there is any suggestion about this question pattern, please comment. We will try to develop our question pattern. Thank you all. Goodbye.